Hey guys, this is Mustard from Top Dog, and this is the Field Trucks for Sound Series 790. Here we go. The Chocolate Drive, you're on Bulldozer, I'm a Grinder, Jackson Davis, you're on Gearson, I'm a Digger. The rest of your trucks, you can choose from. Former Series Champion, Soldier Forge Black Ops, former Series Champion, Iron Warrior, Green Mega X, former Series Champion, Monster Mutt, Mystery Machine, Galaxy Zombie, former Series Champion, Spin Master Education, Prowler, former series champion Superman, former series champion Iron Man, Golden XD, Shocker, former series champion Avenger, Earthshaker, former series champion Georgia, former series champion Lumberjack, former series champion Cactus Curse, former series champion Gunslinger, former series champion FS1 Cletus, former series champion Shotgun Shaker, former series champion Brutus, Storm Damage, former series champion Quick Clip Smokeware, former series champion Maniac, former series champion Blacksmith, former series champion Rotoro Local, former series champion Wild Hair, Cyber Shark, former series champion Red Maxty, Thrasher, Inferno, Dragon, former series champion Jurassic Attack, former series champion Overkill Evolution, Queen Bee, former series champion Iron Outlaw, Megalodon Fire, former series champion Mel Militia, former series champion Yellow Toro Loco, former series champion Green Gravedigger, Nightmare, former series champion Original Firestorm, former series champion Wonder Woman, former series champion Big Kahuna, former series champion Livewire, former series champion Spider-Man, former series champion Wrecking Crew, former series champion Gears of Invasion, former series champion Black Stallion, former series champion Razor Kane, former series champion Guess Monkey Garage, former series champion Megalodon, Earthshaker, Racing Stripes, Joker, the former series champion is Joker, former series champion Monster Poodle, former series champion Monster Domination Blackout, former series champion, I don't know, he hasn't won a series yet, but King Crunch, former series champion Spin Master Domination, former series champion Chrome Gravedigger, and former series champion Scooby Doo. That's it, see you guys later, bye.